ETRADE versus RobinHood versus Fidelity. Which one is best? Let's look into this video. So this is going to be a comparative video between these three platforms here, and then let's look into each one of them individually. So start off with ETRADE. So ETRADE is actually focused on active traders, and it offers advanced charting tools, key charting tools and custom strategy building and automated trading. So it's best for those who want in-depth analysis and professional level trading features. Like some of its features include extensive technical analysis. Okay, charting tools offers stock options, futures and cryptocurrency trading, and also commission-free trading for stocks and other options if you are trading on stocks. And also it's great for day traders and high volume traders. Whereas Robinhood, on the other hand, here, so Robinhood focuses mainly, or it's designed for casual investors and beginners because they offer simple and easy to use interface for trading stocks. Okay, so it's very simple and easy to use. The mobile app is very easy, user friendly. You can download the mobile app, it's very user friendly. And also commission free trading for stocks and ETFs and other cryptocurrencies, and you don't need to maintain any account minimums. Okay, and then cash management features, like such as you have Robinhood Gold, where you can, like, have margin trading and additional research tools. Okay, and next, Fidelity. And Fidelity, on the other side here, they fully offer a full service brokerage platform. Okay, so with tools for long-term investors and active traders. So it's known for like the strong research and low cost index funds. So some of these more features is that strong research and educational content. So if you look into the website, you'll see a lot of content there, so that it can be useful for you. And you have excellent customer service. So if you have any issues, they have a good customer service option, and they offer stocks, options and ETFs. And also they have access to a wide range of investment options and retirement planning tools. And this one also, there is no commission fees on stocks and ETFs, similar to the other two platforms. So which one is best? If you ask me, I would say Robinhood is the easiest to use with commission free trades and a simple mobile friendly design and app as well. So it's great for beginners. But if you're an active trader, then I would suggest ETRADE, because ETRADE offers advanced tools for a broader range of investment options. Okay, so it's ideal for active traders. But if you are in Fidelity, I would suggest for long-term investors, because it's the best option for long-term investors, for those who are focused on long-term growth and retirement planning. So this is what I would say. So Robinhood is best for beginners, and ETRADE is for like active traders, and Fidelity, I would say, for long-term investors. And that's pretty much it is. It's up to you now to, like, choose based on your preference and your intentions in trading. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you all in a new video. Thank you.